Vividos morning, we have launched our new product, Super Sera. Like Bobos, giant pen relief oil, like previous other products, this product today, what we have launched, it's going to be a game changer. I always have said with our Vividos products, it will be always unique. You can be assured there is no other comparable product on earth. So we have plenty of problems over our head. So one-stop solution, only one solution for it, our Super Sera. So these are the problems. Finally, what are the problems we face? Hair fall, hair breakage, weak hair, browny hair, grey hair, very, very big issue now. Baldness, head lice and itch mites, dandruff, it's a fungal infection, it's very, very common. Next is the oily scalp and face, and scalp bacterial infections. These are the big, big problems, not for everyone. Say somebody will have hair fall, somebody will have hair breakage, somebody will have a weaker hair or graying hair. So for many people, almost we can cover each and every human being across the world among these problems. So what is the solution? With authentication, with proper certification, we have come out after a proper clinical trials. We have bought in Super Sera for complete scalp and hair follicle issues for its health. It's an Ayurvedic proprietary medicine. We have bought it as a 250 ml spray bottle to make sure not even a single drop is wasted. Each and every drop in Super Sera is an excellent medicine. So we don't want to waste it by providing with, say, open bottle. Each bottle can bring out approximately 1,500 sprays. What is it made of? All from very strong backup of medical literature. We have aloe in it, we have nimba, we have vetiver in it, Tinospora cardiofolia, indigo, we generally call it as indigo. We have Lawsonia inermis and hibiscus rosa sinensis, goduma or wheat leaf extracts. Next is the Ocimum sanctum or tulasi, and next is the Phyllanthus neruri. Next is the Bringaraj, Eclipta alba. Next is the Glycyrrhizia glabra, then Soralia corifolia. These are the base ingredients in our Super Sera to make sure we get relieved of all the major hair, follicle and scalp issues out of us. How to use it? It is an aqueous base. Most of the hair sera are oil base. Most of the available hair serum in the market are oil base. Particularly they are made of perfumes, chemical perfumes, and with the mineral oil. You can see anywhere. Aqueous base, and particularly with such a kind of wonderful combination, I can guarantee you, nowhere in the world we'll have it. Super Sera is unique and only one of its kind in whole world. So how to use it? The spray has to be applied on the scalp rather than on the hair. See, while spraying it will be hitting the hair also, but make sure you apply a bit extra to make sure you wet your skin, so that the nutrients get inside the scalp. Spray the sufficient quantity of Super Sera in the scalp, gently massage in the night time or in the mornings, about 1 to 2 hours before going to take bath. If you are going to use it in the night time, you will have an excellent sleep. Even if you have insomnia, because of its cooling effect, you will have excellent sleep. If it is in the morning, make sure within about 1 to 2 hours time, you wash your scalp. Super Sera contains body cooling herbal ingredients. If at all you feel it is giving you more chillness, try to reduce the quantity used and don't allow it to stay for more than 1 hour. Within about half an hour you can wash your scalp so that the cooling effect is to the desired level only. Super Sera needs to be used on a regular basis, twice daily at least, for 8 to 12 weeks to get desired results. Hair, I told you, it takes time. From the anagen phase, the growth phase, to the telogen phase or the transition phase, it takes long time. Same way, from the transition phase to catagen phase, the resting stage, it takes a long time. Same way, to come back it's to original phase, anagen phase, the hair follicle takes about 8 to 12 weeks. Till that time, you have to use it. Particularly for this reason, we have made sure the dose we have given it in 250 ml, there is 1,500 sprays, so that adequately it can withstand for 2 to 3 months time until you get a desired result with each and every bottle. So you can be very sure with one bottle of Super Sera, you are destined to get results. Massaging the scalp is very important after applying the Super Sera to notice the desired benefits. So you have to follow these two things importantly. Change your lifestyle. Along with that, make sure you apply Super Sera to get excellent results. Make sure you can even document it with your cameras or mobile phone to see gross changes. So we shall help the world to free from scalp and hair issues, hair problems with our Super Sera. Thank you. Jai Vivitos, Jai Hind.